I just had one of my best YouTube videos ever, and I wanted to share in my success with you guys, let you know how much I got paid, and the answer is probably not as simple as you might think. So I'm going to give you some more insight on that coming up. So yes, guys, it's been a 2.5-year journey on YouTube, and I had one of my best videos ever. It's been pretty cool to see how my channel has evolved, and I'm going to show you exactly how much I got paid by that video, and you know, the value of being a YouTuber, and why you should even go into being you know, a personality on YouTube, or why you should even start to put videos on YouTube if it's something that you're looking to potentially do, no matter what it is that you're doing. But first, I want to welcome you to my channel. Hi, my name is Brad, and this is Own the Chaos. The world of business and finance is a crazy and chaotic world, and so I've made it my mission to help you own it. So if you want to see more videos such as this, I would appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and I would certainly appreciate it. About a month ago, I put out a video as it relates to the free commissions provided by TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, and E-Trade. And this has been by far my best video that I have ever done in the last 2.5 years. And for most people, it's probably not saying much, but for me, it was certainly exciting. You know, as this is something that I've been grinding at for quite some time. And so, you know, I wanted to just show you guys and celebrating this success a little bit, because, you know, if you look back at some of my older videos, I've come quite a long way. I'm completely self-taught as far as, you know, my journey on YouTube is concerned. It's pretty crazy to think about how I started out off with Ricky Gutierezz, and I started off with Connor Poliferone. We've all had different levels of success. I wouldn't trade it for anything. I'm very happy with the community that I have, and I feel fulfilled every day. All of you guys that are out there watching me, you're the reason that I get up every day to do this. And so obviously, as you can see here, with this being my best video ever, I don't do this YouTube thing for the money. That's for sure. You know, there's probably a lot of people out there that do, but for me personally, this is you know, right now it's at 12,700 K views, which is a great video for me. Usually I only average anywhere between 500 to 1,000 views per video is usually what I end up doing. Some less, some more, but this was by far one of the best videos I've ever done. And it paid me $125.96. I got 302 subscribers out of it, which was fantastic. And one thing I want you to pay attention to is the CPM. So if anybody's out there watching this and they're a YouTuber and they're like, holy crap, this is an amazing paid video, and it is. But the thing of it is that the CPM is basically what cost per 1,000 views looks like. And so mine's a little bit higher than most people's because of the industry that I talk about. If I'm talking about stock trading or business, it's typically going to pay more than your videos on strictly entertainment. Like if you have a cute cat video, for example, you're not going to get paid as much for putting a video out like that as you will here. But the trade-off is that cute cat video is probably going to get a ton more views than something that I'm talking about. Stock trading for most people is probably pretty boring, so you're not going to get as many views, so it kind of evens out at the end of the day. But I wanted to provide more context to this because, you know, there's a lot of people that go into being a YouTuber thinking that they can just make this a straight up career and that they should just quit their job and pursue YouTube as a full-time career. And for some, it works that way. And I would say for the few, it works that way. I have other ways that I generate income to create a living, and I never expected YouTube to be a revenue stream that I could solely live off of for the rest of my days. And I still don't think that way. The reason that I go on YouTube is so that I can just share with you guys and connect with you guys and celebrate in your success. You know, obviously, you know that I'm a day trader by day. I also have a business that I run over at WeTradeHQ.com. And so there's lots of other things that I do that helps me generate income. YouTube isn't that. YouTube is kind of the fun part for me. There have been times where it's been frustrating because I'm like, why am I not growing as much as everybody else? And I think everybody ends up asking themselves that question, at least at one point or another in their career as a YouTuber. But at this point in time, I've started to realize, you know, over time that I just need to do this for myself. I need to be able to do it because I love to do it. And I do now. You know, before, I think there was times where I just tried too hard to try to just get views, and that's really not the way to do it. There's a lot of people that do this, and so the reason I'm sharing this with you guys is because I want to let you know that we're all in this together. If you're out there and you want to start to create content, and you're something that you're passionate about, make sure that it's something that you absolutely love. I love day trading every single day. When I connect with my folks that are in our We Trade HQ group, and I can celebrate in their success, and we console each other in losses as well. That's what it's all about for me. The connection, the relationship that I build with you guys is really what makes it all worth it to me. So the best piece of advice that I can give you, when it comes to being on YouTube, is just do it for you. Do it because it's something that you're super passionate about, and it's really what gets you up every single day and motivates you to be better. Now I'm going to continue to grind out on YouTube. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. I have so many things in the works. One thing that I'm really excited about is the barcast that we put out every Monday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, and that's something that's really exciting me as well. I'm super passionate about trading, and I love talking to you guys every single day about the trades that I make and everything that's going on in the stock market. But this other element that I'm adding to my channel, I think is also going to be good as well. It's something that I don't know, I just love it. And if it doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't go anywhere. But it's just been an amazing journey so far to be working with Christian, to be working with, we actually are having guests that are coming on, so be on the lookout for that. I'm super excited for you guys to see the journeys of other entrepreneurs as well, and I think that you'll get a lot out of that. But at the end of the day, guys, don't focus on how much YouTube can actually make you, because what YouTube really wants you to do is just be passionate about whatever it is that you're doing, and then eventually you'll get rewarded for it, just as I did on this one. It's one of those things. Yeah, I could make a few extra bucks on YouTube, but and maybe one day it blows up. Who knows? I'm just going to continue to give you great content, and as long as you see value in it, and as long as you give me that thumbs up, I will continue to be on here, guys, and strive to change your life in some sort of way, and maybe inspire you in some sort of way to go after whatever it is that drives you. I set myself a goal to make $100,000 this year on YouTube, and realized that it was a lot tougher than I anticipated. I bit off a little bit more than I can chew, but it doesn't mean that I'm gonna stop setting goals for myself and pushing myself to go further. And if this is inspiring you in some way, if this is motivating you to get up and go do whatever it is that you're passionate about, then my job here is complete. So that's gonna do it for me, guys. I know this was a little bit different than a different me than you're used to seeing, but every once in a while I like to be able to just connect with you guys on this level, and I think you guys get a lot out of it. So if you did, let me know in the comments your thoughts. Maybe you can send me some more motivational comments if you're going through something, if you're struggling through growth in some sort of way on something that you're passionate about. Leave me some comments, and I'll give you something that'll motivate you as well. We're in this together, guys, and I never intended this to just be all about the Brad Show. I think that if you've been following me for a long time, you'll understand that I've been really trying to lift a community and not just it all be about one individual. So if you guys are just visiting this channel, if you're new to this channel, I certainly would appreciate a subscribe, because I'm going to provide more motivational, more inspirational content moving forward, as well as everything else. So that's going to do it for me, guys. As always, I will see you before the bell. MP Smith is out. See ya. Swing trading is probably one of my favorite ways to trade. It's a really nice, easy, set it and forget it. It works well for people who have that 9-to-5 job that just can't stay glued to the computer. And I'm going to show you how I made over $7,000 and counting on this incredible swing trade coming